Malupit na diskarte pag nagsa-shopping sa mga malls. Lalo na mga big purchases o mga mahal na binibili nating assets. This is done by taking advantage of in-store financing options ng Salmon PH, gaya ng buy now, pay later. Example, gusto mong mag-start ng gym business at bibili ka ng equipment sa Olympic Village, which is isa sa marami nilang partnered merchants. Dahil dito, hindi mo na kailangang bayaran yung upfront fee o bayaran ng buo because you can divide your purchase into easy monthly payments. So, hindi siya masakit sa budget at may improve mo pa yung cash flow mo since nabili mo na agad yung equipment at mapapakinabangan mo na siya agad-agad. Therefore, yung kikitain mo dun sa gym business mo could help you to pay your monthly payment. Nagigets? You can buy any assets or anything that will generate income for you nang hindi gumagastos ng malaki. Nga pala, bonus, kung ikaw yung taong nakaabot sa part ng video na to, may reward ako sa'yo. Since Salmon has started their partnership with Olympic Village, may free 100 pesos gift card ka for a minimum purchase of 3,000 pesos done via Salmon app. Ang gagawin nyo lang is to screenshot this video with this code at ipakita nyo to sa store. For more details ng promo, you can post this. Remember that this strategy has corresponding risks, so do your own research and due diligence.